In a preemptive security strike, the UAE State Security Service has succeeded in dismantling a secret terrorist organization. Its members were arrested following their involvement in a systematic plot aimed at destabilizing national stability through a series of subversive acts. Investigations revealed the organization's links to foreign entities and regional terrorist militias, particularly those associated with Wilayat al-Faqih. The plot relied on brotherhood tactics in recruitment and mobilization through secret meetings aimed at infiltrating sensitive sites and seeking to reach vital joints of the state to carry out sabotage operations. The organization targeted Emirati youth with misleading ideas to incite against the state's internal and foreign policies. Additionally, they collected funds through illegal methods and smuggled them to terrorist entities to support cross-border subversive activities. However, the efficiency of the UAE intelligence services uncovered the roles of organizations loyal to Iran and succeeded in dismantling their cells before they could execute their plan.